What is up? What is up? What is up, everyone? How's it going? How's it going? How's it going? So we're gonna make this a nice quick one. So, whatever, the YouTube algorithm isn't gonna like it, but that's not the point of this. Obviously, I think if I can get this up tonight or in the morning, whatever it is, whatever it's gonna be, will be the 3rd of November, which will be Election Day. I hope if you are of legal age and legal availability, it's not the right word, but like you are legally allowed, whatever, you're not a felon or whatever. I hope that you go out and vote. Let's see here, 2016 voting numbers. Let's look this up while we're talking. So 127 million people voted. 127 million out of 350, something like that. Not exactly the worst thing. It's a third, but it's only a third of the population. I understand that, like, obviously some percentage of the population is under the age of 18, so percentage of American population above 18 years old. Let's see if 18 years old, 74.3%. 74.3% of the United States population is 18 years or older. That's 209,128,094 people. I don't know how recent this is, but whatever. So that means out of 200 million people, 120 million voted. That means there's 80 million people that didn't vote in the last election, give or take some layman's math. So 80 million people, what are you doing? Let's get this, no matter what side you vote on. Obviously I have an opinion on what side you should vote for, but that's, not here nor there. We're not going to go into that because I'm not going to do it. What's the word I'm looking for? I think, go do it. If you have the, legal availability to go vote, you should. Whether it's left or right, red or blue, or libertarian, or you vote independent, you write somebody in, I don't know. Who cares? It doesn't matter. Just, there's no reason that you shouldn't use your constitutional and your legal right to go vote. Obviously you're going to have those people that say, my vote doesn't matter, but, if you have a million people that say my vote don't matter, if you get those million people to vote, well, guess what? Your vote matters. So, let's get out and vote. November 3rd, go to your polling place, whether it's your town office, a school gym, or whatever it is, and, we'll see where all this craziness falls in probably 3 or 4 days after all the votes are counted and, all the lawsuits have been filed. But, I'm going to make this nice and short and sweet so I can actually upload it, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.